Hello friends and welcome to English with Alex channel. Short story number 14, The Lazy Donkey. There once lived a waterman who took clothes to the river every day to wash. He owned a lazy donkey that hated doing its work, and whenever the donkey was called upon, he pretended to be sick. One day, the waterman had to take a big pile of clothes to the river bank to wash. But the donkey knew the clothes would be heavy, and so he escaped when the waterman called him and went to a lonely place to take a nap. The donkey was sleeping under a mango tree in a secluded place when a strong wind began to blow. Due to the wind, a mango fell from the tree and landed on the donkey's head. Surprised, the donkey woke up and did not know what was going on. As he opened his eyes, dust blew into his eyes, making it hard for him to see. The donkey wished to go back home to hide from the dust storm, but he was afraid the waterman would beat him up. As he arrived home, fearfully entering the house and expecting a beating, he was surprised when his master was glad to see him. "Oh, I am glad you are back," said his master, giving him some food. From then onwards, the donkey never ran away again. Thank you friends for watching. Hit the like, subscribe to our channel, and bye for now.